Hi, I'm Marcus Salinas, your learning strategist with the Evolve 365 team at Planet Technologies. I work with teams to help them work smarter in simplifying everyday tasks. Getting started utilizing Microsoft Power Automate can be scary at first, but today I'm going to show you how to use Automate to take control of your work email with a simple and easy email notification. So let's get started. Let's head over to Power Automate. Make sure that you sign into your Microsoft 365 account to access your web portal capabilities. Here we have accessed our Microsoft 365 web portal, and all we need to do is activate our Power Automate. We're able to find Power Automate located normally on the left navigation rail. If you're not able to find it there, just go into the apps area and locate Power Automate. So let's get started with Power Automate. Once we're inside Power Automate, what we're wanting to do is to make sure that we have connected all of our accounts. And as you can see at the very top in our environment, we have our Planet Technology information and my profile. So let's go ahead and start by creating our template that is going to simplify all of our information. Power Automate offers ready and easy to use templates. For example, search for email and choose one that may say, save an Outlook email attachments to your OneDrive, or send a notification when you get an important email. Today, we're going to build a very simple flow, a flow that sends a message to Teams when you receive an email from a particular individual. So let's go ahead and get started creating. We're going to hit the Create button right over here. And the type of flow that we are creating is an automated flow, saying that anytime this happens, go ahead and activate that flow. The event being an email, and then the trigger saying, hey, I've received the email, it'll send me that message in Teams. So let's hit that automate. Let's now name the flow. We're going to name it when a new email arrives from Marcus is we're going to utilize with the boss. We want to be able to tell it what the trigger is, and the trigger is that Outlook. So let's go ahead and type in Outlook, and we're going to say right here, when a new email arrives. So let's hit that Create button and get started. We're now in that creation of Power Automate. As you can see, the first thing it is telling Power Automate is look inside the inbox folder, but we want to be able to give some more instructions. First thing we want to be able to do is let's take this advanced information down and let's put who we want to be notified when a particular email comes in from a certain person. I'm utilizing my company email, but once again, you're able to utilize your boss's email or any particular individual, whether it be a client or a peer. Now from here, we're going to be able to say, what do we need to do? This is the trigger information. Let's go ahead and tell Power Automate what we want Power Automate to do. We are going to send a post to a Teams channel or a Teams chat, letting us know since we're always inside of Teams. So let's find that Teams connector that we've got right over here. We're going to click that Teams connector. And what action we want to tell Power Automate. What do we want to do with inside Teams? We want to post a chat, post a message inside a chat or a channel. And now we're going to tell Power Automate, well, what chat, what area do we want? I like to use the Flowbot only because it just gives me one location of all of my notifications popping in that I've created. And we're going to say post this inside that bot area that we've got. Right over here, that chat with the bot. It's now going to give us the ability. What do we want to be able to do? We want to be able to say, hey, when we've got an email, it says, you just got new email from Marcus to review. We want to go ahead and say, hey, what do we want to be able to send it to? We want to be able to go into my particular one. So here we're going to be tabbing right over here. This is the Teams account that I want. Now you are able to pull in information from the email if you'd like here, but we're just going to keep it nice and simple. Let's go ahead and hit that save button. And we now have saved it and we're ready to go. Power Automate is automated for us, telling us the flow is ready to go. We're going to go ahead and test it and send out an email. So let me go ahead and do two particular things. We're going to jump back into our flow information with this particular Power Automate that we've created. So let's just go to the back button so that way we can get to it. And what we're going to be watching is this history run right here. Oh, that's ready to go. We're going to watch this history one as we wait for that new email from my boss or from Marcus coming in. And we should be getting it in 1 second. As you can see, an email has just come in from my boss. That flow is working. We're going to go ahead and jump over to Microsoft Teams to be able to see that notification. And then we're going to jump over to Outlook to look at the email. So let's go ahead and jump into our Teams. As you can see, we just got an email from my boss letting me know that we received it, as well as that notification in here. Just got a new email for us to review. Let's go ahead and go now to the Outlook to take a look at that email. And you can see my 2 emails from my boss just came in letting me know that an email for me to review has gone done. That's it. With Power Automate, your inbox becomes a productive powerhouse. Try it today and automate that boring stuff. I'm Marcus Salinas with the Evolve 365 team at Planet Technologies. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon again.